On the outside, that's Sweetwater Oak in the Muddy Silks. Sweetwater Oak on the outside of Current Lady head-to-head. Sweetwater Oak loses the rider. Current Lady in front.
Yards all the way. See the horse almost going down, and amazingly, he grabs a hold of the horse's neck and holds on for dear life, knowing that there were a lot of horses behind him, didn't want to get trampled. He's hanging on, and of course, the people that had their money on him were really happy, but they couldn't believe it as he's dangling along. The crowd was screaming and yelling as it was inside the 16th pole, some 75 yards from the finish line. Unbelievably, look at the jockey in front. That's Tommy Chapman. He can't believe that Hubbard's hanging on all the way past the finish line.
Well, I hung on to her, and then I thought about dropping off. Then I looked back and saw the rest of the horses. I didn't get run over.